Good evening, class 8, unit light, part 5. Question number 1. Define a spherical mirror and mention its types. Just spherical mirror, just from the sphere. A spherical mirror is a part of that sphere which forms its part, and the mirror is used to reflect light. There are two types of spherical mirrors. They are concave mirror and convex mirror. Two types. Question number 2. Images formed by a concave mirror. There are 6 cases. And after drawing, you have to write down the characteristics of the images formed. Object at infinity. First I will draw an incomplete diagram, then complete diagram. This is an incomplete diagram. Just see the diagram. The object is, this is a concave mirror. An object is placed at infinity. Where is the image formed? First we have to write down this. Concave mirror. Concave mirror, principal axis, parallel ray, after reflection, the parallel rays of light after reflection converge to the focus. All the parallel rays converge to the focus after reflection. And what type of image is formed? The image is, what the nature of the image? Nature, real and inverted image. The image is real and inverted. Position. Where is the image formed? Position at the focus F on the same side. Size. Same side. What is the size of the image? Very small. Highly diminished. Highly diminished image is formed at the focus. When an object is placed at infinity, or real, inverted and highly diminished means very small, a point image is formed at the focus on the same side. This is the first case. Another case is B object beyond twice A or center of curvature. Where is the object? Beyond the center of curvature. See how to draw incomplete diagram. This is an incomplete diagram. The object is here, somewhere away from the center. This is pole. See, study the diagram and complete it. Focus, center, the object is away from the center. Beyond the object, beyond twice F, image between F and twice F. Beyond by between by beyond. See, the technique is, first of all, concave mirror. Principal axis, focus F, center C. The object is here. Parallel ray passes through the focus, and another ray which passes through the focus will be parallel. Parallel ray passes through the focus and a ray passing through the focus will be parallel, and these two rays will meet at this point. So AB is an object, F is the focus, C center, P is the pole. What is the object? The object is beyond C, center of curvature. AB is the object. A parallel ray of light passes through the focus, or ray passing through the focus will be parallel, and these two rays will meet at this point. So this is the image. Whatever image is this? Nature, position and size. Nature, real and inverted image. Real and inverted. Position, beyond. When the object is beyond C, image is between C and F. Between center of curvature C and focus F. Size of the image. When the object is beyond C, the size is smaller or diminished only. Diminished means smaller than the object. See, when an object is placed beyond 2F or beyond C, a real, inverted and diminished image is formed between the center C and focus F. Drawing technique, again see, F here, parallel passes through the focus, passing through the focus will be parallel. See, arrow, incident, reflected ray, pole P, focus, center, object. See, this is the drawing technique. See, when an object is placed beyond twice F, image is formed between C and F. नेपाली अब्जेक्टलाई ट्वाइस एफ भन्दा टाढा, सी भन्दा टाढा राख्यो भने इमेज सी र एफ को बीचमा हुन्छ. बी नम्बर. नाउ सी. Object at 2F or center of curvature. If an object is placed at C, drawing technique, F, C, 2F. What is the object? The object is at the center of curvature C. Object like C by राखेको छ. So the image is also formed at the same point C. This is an incomplete diagram. Complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, equal distance. C. Object is here. Parallel ray passes through the focus, and another ray which passes through the focus will be parallel, and they will meet at the same point. Just like in compulsory math, see, the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Just like diagonals of a rectangle, very similar. See, incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray, center C, focus F, object, image. Drawing technique, see, drawing technique, concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, array, parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the focus will be parallel and they will meet at the same point. So what type of image is this? Image nation, real and inverted. The image is real and inverted image. Position at C on the same side. Same side. On the at the center of curvature C on the same side. Size of the image is same as the object. The object and image are equal in size. When an object is placed at center of curvature or 2F or real, inverted and same sized image is formed at the center of curvature C on the same side. Same side में बन्छ. Same side को center में बन्छ. C. D number. Now object is between C and F. Object between center C and F. Now the students should know C for center of curvature, F for focus and P for pole. So they should know. First of all, incomplete diagram. Where is the object? Just see the diagram, study the diagram. The object is away from focus but nearer to C. Between C and F. C भन्दा over, F भन्दा टाढा. An object is placed between center and focus. This is an incomplete diagram. What is the complete diagram? The complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center. I draw the center later on. See, this is an object or a parallel ray passes through the focus, and another ray which passes through the focus will be parallel and meet here, somewhere here. Focus, incident ray, arrow, reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray. The two reflected rays, this is an incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. This is a reflected ray and this is also a reflected ray. The two reflected rays meet at this point and this is an image. Suppose this is object, this is an image. Polished outside, pole P. What type of image is found? Nature, real and inverted. Nature is real and inverted image. Position. How to know? Object between. When the object is between C and F, image is beyond. Beyond C or twice F. Object C र F को बीचमा छ, between छ भने image beyond. Object beyond, image between. Object between, image beyond. Beyond, between, beyond. टाढाको नजिक, नजिकको टाढा. Size. In this case, the image is bigger than the object. So you have to write down magnified. Meaning of magnified, bigger than the object. In this case, an image is bigger than the object. So if it is an object, the image is such an image. Object, image, just inverted image. Object, image. If an object is placed between C and F, a real, inverted and magnified image is formed beyond C or twice F on the same side. On the same side. Drawing technique again, listen here. C, F, center, parallel ray passes through the focus, another ray passing through the focus will be parallel and meet at this point. At this point, and suppose C is somewhere there. So, parallel ray passes through the focus. Passing through the focus, parallel. The two reflected rays meet at this point. So, this is an image, this is an object. A real, inverted and bigger image is formed beyond C or twice F on the same side. D. Object at focus F. See, object is at focus. See, where is the object? At the focus. If the object is at focus, where is the image formed? Just see. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, object is here, focus. See, object is at the focus. See, where is the image formed? First of all, you have to write down a parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray, upper part of the object and center of curvature should be joined. Then incident ray, reflected ray, they don't meet each other. The two reflected rays don't meet each other. Then what happens? If they don't meet each other, what happens? Again, or a parallel ray passes through the focus and another ray which passes through the center of curvature will return back. Just like if a ray is normally incident, it is normally reflected. What is the nature of the image? Nature real and inverted. The image is real and inverted. Position at infinity. Very far away at infinity. Size not highly diminished, highly magnified. Size is highly magnified, meaning very big. See, if an object is placed at the focus, a real, inverted and highly magnified image is formed at the focus at infinity on the same side. Drawing technique again. See, concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center. Object, see, object, parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the optical center goes back. And the two reflected rays don't meet each other. So a real inverted and highly magnified image is formed at infinity. Very big image is formed at infinity. E number. Now F number, last and F number. F number, object between focus F and pole P. This is the language by students. Object between focus F and pole P. Incomplete diagram. Focus, center, object is here. Where is the object? The object is between focus F and pole P. Pole भन्दा टाढा, focus भन्दा नजिक. This is an incomplete diagram. How to complete? First of all, you have to complete it this way. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, just double. The object is here. Parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the optical center will return. Then what happens? These two, the real reflected rays don't meet each other. So you have to produce them back. See, the object is placed between F, focus F and pole P. A parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the center of curvature will return back. So the two reflected rays don't meet each other. So where will they meet? They will meet. You have to produce them back. The two rays seem to meet. They seem to diverge from this point. So this is an image. Image. This is an object. What is the nature of the image? You write down this one. Special case. Special case. A concave mirror forms an inverted and virtual image only in this case. So it is a special case. The case is when the object is placed between focus F and pole P, a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. What is the nature? Not real and inverted. Virtual and erect. Nature, position. Where is the image found? The image is formed just on the opposite side. Beyond 2F or F on the opposite side. What is the size of the image? The size is magnified. Magnified means bigger than the object. If an object is placed between F and P, a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed beyond twice F on the opposite side. On the opposite side. See, object left hand side, image right hand side. In the same way, if the object is placed on the right hand side, the image is formed on the left hand side. Drawing technique again. See, concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object here, parallel ray passes through the focus, another ray join these two, You have to use a pencil and compass properly. These two rays don't meet each other. So what to do? Incident reflected ray, focus, center, object. You have to push them back. This is the image. This is the image. This is the object. This much for today. There are 6 cases in concave mirrors, but convex mirror 2 cases. Case number 1, object at infinity. Case number 2, object beyond twice f. Object at twice f. Object between C and F. Object at F. And object between F and P. This is the special case because a virtual erect and magnified image is formed on the opposite side of the mirror. In all cases, the image is real and inverted, but only in this case, the image is virtual and erect. So, this is a special case. I like to ask one question. In which case is the image formed by a concave mirror virtual and erect? The answer is the image formed by a concave mirror is virtual and erect only when an object is placed between focus F and pole P. अर्थात् फोकस भन्दा नजिक पोल भन्दा टाढा अब्जेक्ट राख्यो भने मात्र भर्चुअल र इरेक्ट इमेज बन्छ. दिस इज द स्पेशल केस.